Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you will be fine and enjoy your life with your family and friends in your home safely. So dear friends, I pray you will happy and enjoy your life and keep smiling always. Amen. So dear friends, let's go the video. I am back again with most demanding, attractive and most amazing collection of crochet women skirt designs. Different color, different designs, different ideas in front of you one by one. I hope you like this collection. Most attractive, most amazing, you know. Crochet is always beautiful, trendy, expensive, stylish also. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs, more ideas about this collection. Dear friends, if you want to buy this amazing collection, you can contact me on my number and my WhatsApp number. My number is available in description. We have designers as you can order and get amazing crochet material like this crochet women skirt designs and others like crochet women top designs, long dresses, short dresses, full sleeve, half sleeve, sleeveless, off shoulder, one shoulder dresses also. Crochet women scarf designs, flowering scarf designs, crochet women poncho designs, caplet, cap shawl, circular jacket designs, open jacket designs, sweater designs, crochet baby material like crochet baby frock designs, crochet baby romper designs, shoes designs, cap designs, women cap designs, men cap designs, long gloves, short gloves, fingerless gloves, crochet jewelry like crochet necklace designs, earrings, bracelets, finger rings also, and feet jewelry like anklet designs, baby anklet designs, many more things also. You can contact me anytime. Very beautiful crochet material have been prepared for you. So try this collection, enjoy this video, share this video with your close friends, relatives. So dear friends, now goodbye till the next video. See you soon with new collection. And please remember me in your prayers. Then goodbye.